Okay, so for you to set up your banners for your printer, you want to make sure you set up the name here on the printer first, and then you go on the back end and enable it through the IP address. So for example, right here, we're going to say I didn't have tray 2 as a banner at the moment. So I'll go ahead and hit assign, and then I will create a new one. So that's, you see how I have the banner right there? So I'm gonna create a new one in case, you know, for your sake. And then we're gonna call it banner. You can do caps lock. You hit okay. And then for the size, I did 8.5 by 11. Letter. And then after that, we put the pound weight. I put 21 pounds because that's what the other trays are asking for. Whenever I run a job, it says 21 pounds. So I just put it at 21. And then I go to other media attributes, and that's where you should be able to change the color. So that's the color. So right now it's set up for white. And so I set it up for gold on my end. So that way I'm able to distinguish it. But you can really choose any color you want. If I can find it. Oh, there it is, goldenrod. And then I hit okay. And obviously it says that this definition already exists, but once you hit okay, it should come up just like that, banner. And then you can load up your goldenrod or whatever color you want to use for banner, really. And then we go on the computer side of things, and we type in the IP address of the printer itself, which will be right here. So my IP address is 192.168.4.205. You just got to input that in there. You just hit enter, and actually I'll show you. So you just go 192.168.4.205, and then just hit enter. And then it'll bring you up here. And then you want to go ahead and go to the preferences. And under preferences, under system settings, you want to go where it says banner pages, and you want to enable it. And that's what I ended up doing. I enabled it. And then after you enable it, you go to print job defaults. And then this is where you go right here where it says banner pages, trailer pages, reports, and tickets. Right here it says media of banner pages, trailer pages, and tickets. And media name. And so you basically choose the tray. Oh, and I have to log in, which I don't have. I don't have it right now. But anyway, you log in, and then you're able to choose the media, so to speak, and it'll actually drop down a list of the media that currently exists on that printer over there. So the banner that we created will show up here, and so you would just click on the banner, kind of like my setup. It should look kind of like this. Yeah, exactly like that. You'll have the banner, the 21 pound, all that good stuff, goldenrod. So whenever a job prints, it'll always print a banner. I hope that helps. Oh, one thing to look out for with the whole banner situation, we might have to put a bug, but whenever a job prints out, you know, the name is so long that it shortens it, and you don't actually see the name of the job. So if you're running like a statement, you'll have this issue. So what I've been doing is I've been going and editing it out and just kind of deleting just a good amount, like maybe like the, I don't know, like the mono part or the USA part, kind of delete it. So it's not that as important, and then it kind of shortens it. So that way you can see the work order, because I've done it where I print it out and you can't even see the work order number. So you know that I didn't scan it. All right, hope that helps.